How you doing, guys? My name is Blake with DTM Sales and Marketing. I'm going to do a quick demonstration on our ballistic glass, BallisTech, sourced through Dana Safety Supply. This is our patrol package, which stops the common handgun rounds. I will demonstrate on the front glass specifically. We're going to shoot it with some higher caliber rounds. I brought a 5.56 with me, as well as a slug 12 gauge shotgun. You can see from the front windshield, you have a tinted brow that goes around the side. But other than that, I'll take a seat on the inside just to show you what it looks like. Very comparable to OEM glass. Now for the side glass here, I'll roll it down just a touch. This rolls up and down with the OEM motors, and I'll roll it and stop it here just so you can see the different thicknesses. This thickness here slides into the OEM channel, and then you have this piece of polycarbonate here. Now what's amazing about this piece of side glass is that from the outside, bad guy shooting in, that round hits this multiple layers of glass, it starts to spall, and then it hits that polycarbonate, which I think of as like a catcher's mitt. We actually have the ability, and the officer has the ability to shoot from the inside out, and I'll be demonstrating that as well. 3 shots on the right side here, and I just want to remind you guys that this is not rated for this, but I do think that it's important that we show the capabilities of this product. Another thing I'd like to mention about the front windshield, and I can see it, you'll be able to see it here now, is that we put a layer on the inside that protects from any sort of frag coming in here. So I can still touch this and it's not going to get any glass on me. So obviously important, if you're getting engaged, you need the ability to maneuver as well. All right, next up, I'm going to do 9mm. This is 147 grain. This is your classic duty round here. Same thing on the inside here, no frag coming internal of the vehicle. All right, next up we have 45 caliber. This is 230 grain. Awesome. All right, we're gonna do the side glass. This is with the 45 caliber, 230 grain. So you can see the round hits the multiple layers of glass, starts to spall, and then this is what you have on the inside, that polycarbonate stopping it. All right, we're gonna do 9mm now. This is 147 grain. That day-to-day mindset, knowing that you have something in here that can stop not just common pistol rounds, but as you can see, 5.56 and some of these higher caliber rounds as well. So, all right, and I didn't want to talk too much about tactics during this demonstration, but 2 things that I'll mention is that anytime you are using the one-way technology here, a consideration is that you are shooting through ballistic glass, so there will be deviation. And then another consideration is that if my round is penetrating this, there is going to be a hole here where if bad guy shooting in just happens to get lucky and hits that same hole, well, you're going to have rounds coming in then. All right, so now I'm going to demo from the inside out, shooting with the one-way technology. I'm using 9mm 147 grain. This is just regular duty ammo, and I have my my bad guy right out there. Here we go. All right, so I wanted it to be quick, more so just so you could see. I mean, even at this distance here, there was still quite a bit of deviation. All my rounds, I had looks like 5 rounds, pretty center of the glass here. First 3 hit, and then we had a few high, and a lot of this is just frag, right? If you could see the frag that happens here, I think actually I hit 4 of the 5, but yeah, pretty awesome. The fact that I do have the ability to still return fire based on the specific situation I'm in is definitely just another tool. All right, that concludes my demonstration. I just wanted to give a special thanks to Dana Safety Supply, BallisTech, and the guys over at DTM Sales and Marketing. If it wasn't for you guys, I truly believe that, you know, ballistic glass just would not be a viable option to law enforcement agencies across the nation. So thank you so much for spearheading this. It's an honor to be a small part of it. And also thank you so much to the men and women who serve our communities and are risking their lives every day to protect us. So appreciate it and have a great day.